siya si Bill. Bill here is a hornbill with its local name, Palaw. We call this bird hornbill because of its large and heavy bill. If you observe, napakalaki at napakabigat na bill. And also, here in the Philippines, we have 10 types of hornbills. But sorry to inform you, 5 of them are critically endangered. And they are calling for conservation. And also guys, here in the Crocodile Park, we have 3 types of hornbills. We have Talitik hornbill found in Mindanao as well as our Mindanao wreathed hornbill. And also guys, the hornbill in front of you now is our Philippine Great Rufous hornbill with the scientific name Buceros and the Chocolax. They are endemic in Luzon. And because of rapid increase of human population, their habitat was totally lost. And they are calling for conservation. And you know what guys, one of the behavior back in the wild, we will gonna show you this afternoon. Pakita nga natin, kuya. Ayun, ginagawa po niya, branch to branch back in the wild. And purpose po niya to find food para makahanap ng pagkain. Dahil nga naman napakaraming pagkain back in the wild, primary are fruits, and kumakain po sila ng fruits. And also, another behavior po nila back in the wild this afternoon, we will gonna show you. But before that, this time, we need 4 volunteers, 2 males and 2 females. Yes, ma'am. Based on here. Pasok na dito. Yes. Ayan. Sister. Sino? Ayan si ma'am. O, ikaw ma'am. Pasok na dito. Ayan. Si ma'am naka-t-shirt. Ayan, naka-black. Okay, this time 2 male volunteers. How about you, sir? Pasok na dito. Go, go, go. Ayan, si sir. Pwede mo iwan yung bag. Okay. Ayun na, kaplata na. Come here. Ay, mga tinawag ko. Dito tayo. Dito. Yes, sir. Your name? Okay. Sir James, where do you from?
Panabong.
Layo na pinagalingan. Okay, how about you, ma'am?
Colleen.
Colleen from Panabo. So, from Manila. How about you, ma'am?
Karina.
And Karen from?
Ramon Magsaysay.
Ramon Magsaysay. How about you, sir?
Jesse.
Sarap ba mag-rafting? Saya. Ayan. You coming from? Davao. Okay. This afternoon, may idea kayo kung anong gagawin? Wala? Tayo lang po kayo hanggang matapos yung show na. Okay, just kidding. Okay, ito. First step, find your partners. Male, female. Ayun, nagkaintindihan na silang apat. Nagkaharapan. Okay, sir. Obviously, partner mo si ma'am. Okay, dito tayo first pair. Next pair. O, doon tayo kay kuya. Follow na kayo dito. Ayan. And then, face your partners. And ito yung pinakamasaya sa lahat, guys. Next step. Holding hands. Hawak kamay. Both hands. And then, come on! Dance! Sayaw! Talagang sabay. Galing kong malabot eh. Wow! Kaya game na game si Ma'am. Pero, hindi yan ang ipapagawa ko. Just kidding. Okay, pero totoo, hawak kamay. Yes, holding hands. And then, as itong isa, baba naman itong isa, follow natin next pair, please. Ayan, and then expand more this time. So guys, papakita po natin another behavior po dito back in the wild aside from branch to branch. And I guess ready na Kuya Alan, Kuya Ever. There you go. Come on, Phil. Wow! Galing! Also guys, you know what? Aside from branch to branch, another behavior po dito back in the wild, pumapasok ngayon sa mga butas-butas. Yan. Nahanap po sila ng mga butas pasok doon also to find food. Dahil nga naman napakaraming fruits back in the wild, once again kumakain po sila ng fruits. Okay, there you go. One more. One more, expand. One more. Wow! Ganun at ganun lang. Kasimple yung ginawa ninyo. At syempre, before that, si Sir. Gusto ko ituloy si Sir. Sir, ano ngayong nararamdaman mo nang mahawakan mo na si Ma'am?
Wala.
How about you, ma'am? Okay, dahil dyan, dahil sa nagawa yung challenge, of course, free passes for you, sir. And And also free passes for you, ma'am, coming from Mount Apo Highland Resort, Maxime Aquafun, Crocodile Park, Tribo Mindanao, and Davao Butterfly House for you, ma'am. And also for you, sir, thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining. Parang pa naman po para sa mga volunteers. And also, guys, you know what? Aside from that, of all kind of birds, only ipasalo mo yan ngayon kay Bill. Ready ka na? Huwag mo kainin, ate, ha? Ready na? Yes, I guess we're ready now. To count of 3. 1, 2, 3, go! There we go. Wow, thank you so much. How about here? Volunteer, kids. Diba, ayun si ate. Okay, ready ka na, ate? Once again, to count of 3. There you go. 1, 2, 3, go! Ayun. May takot yata kayo. That's okay. Yan, okay lang po yan. Okay, one more, kuya. I guess one more, but here. Sina? Hanap ka, kuya. One more volunteer. Sina? Oh, ayun, si ate. Ready ka na, ate? Ready na? There you go. 1, 2, 3, go! There you go. Hindi na sala. Kuya, kaya ba isa? Hanap tayo ng isa yung, ayun, malaki. Adult, I guess. Try natin medyo malaya. Sina? Ayun si sir. Bigyan natin ng chance si sir. Sir, dito ka. Dito ka. Ayun ka. Ayan si sir. Try natin malayo kayo. Dun ka. Okay. Sir, are you ready? Well, I guess when I'm ready. 1, 2, 3, go! There we go! Wow, thank you so much. Palakpakan naman po para sa mga volunteers natin. And also guys, you know what? Aside from that, prepare your cameras dahil eto na. Bill, cameras put on! Bill! Yeah! Galing! O sige, isa pa. Isa pa. Okay, one more kuya. Sana. Ay guys, kung nakikita nyo, aside from the color and the large bill, ay kayong mga malapit sa kanya, meron po siyang napakagandang eyelashes. Nagsuserve yung protection against sun. Okay, there you go. Come on, Bill. For one more. And also guys, they are known, or also known as Clock of the Mountain. There you go, one! Once again guys, they're also known as Clock of the Mountain dahil naman oras-oras po yung pag-ingay nila. At yun yung ginawa niya bago ng mirror catching, yun yung pangkaraniwang ginagawa nila back in the wild. Kaya ginagawa nila kapag mayroon po silang nililigaw ang babaeng hornbills, courtship display nila back in the wild. And also guys, after that, after courtship display, ready ka na? Kinabahan? Okay lang. Just relax. Okay guys, once again, papakita po natin dito another behavior po nila back in the wild. And kunwari, ako muna yung babaeng hornbills. Pakakainin ako ngayon ng lalaking hornbills. Ako yan, ready na? There you go. Hey, hi guys! Ay, ang gagawin mo ngayon? Ay, kasi sinusupan ngayon ng lalaking hornbills, yung babaeng hornbills na naka-sealed. Ayan, since hindi siya makakakain, hindi siya makakalabas. Ready ka na, ma'am? Ready? Okay lang. Kung hindi kaya, yung handler. Ready? Ready naman yung handler. Okay lang. Ready ka na? Ready ka na, kuya? Ready na? Just relax. Ipit lang ng ipit. There you go. Come on. There you have it. Wow! Galing! Ano naramdaman mo? Isa pa! Gusto mo handler? Handler daw, kuya. Request. Okay na. Ano yung feel mo?
Okay na, hot.
Okay, dahil siya nagawa mo yung challenge, of course, free passes for you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining. Palakpakan naman po para sa volunteers.